Hello everybody, my name is Calvin and this is the tech I missed. I'm working on a project right now that's taking a little while. Should be done this week, but until that time, I'm going to go ahead and make a small video, short video. Shouldn't take very long. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an RCA jack or AV, whatever you want to call it, composite connector for your C64 or your Vic-20. I happen to have a 5-pin DIN connector, so I'm going to be using that. And so let's get started. It shouldn't be very long, and hopefully it'll be useful for you. Okay, so here we have our DIN connector, and here we have a 2-plug RCA cable jack, and for the 5-pin at least, the only 3 that we need to connect are the video, which is here. The very bottom is ground right there, and up here is our audio. So this pin and this pin we don't need to worry about. That's if you're looking at it like this, like you're seeing it with the camera. So video, ground, video, ground, audio. So if we just number them 1 through 5, it'd be 1, nothing, 2, video, 3, ground, 4, nothing, 5, audio. So audio, ground, video. So that's all we need to connect. So you always want to make sure you've got the right wires. So I'm going to do a continuity test real quick. I've already done this, but I'll do it again for you. Now, this cable actually had another wire that was red, but it was for something that never gets used. It's another, I think it's for DVI, yeah, some sort of DVI type thing, but never gets used on composite. So I just cut it all the way down. You can probably see it there but yeah, so it's not being used, so we're not worried about it. So this obviously is the ground. It doesn't have a sheath over it. So I'll just hold this with my finger here, and I'll just touch this to the ground pin, and you can see it's working. Okay, and now the white one, I believe that was video, so we'll just check it. Yep, video. Okay, and then the yellow one was audio. And you have to check these yourself, but it's not too hard to check. But so for my cable at least, white is video, yellow is audio, and of course the unsheathed is ground. So we're good with that. Now we'll move on to the RCA cables. And I've already cut these. These are the ground. These are normally wrapped around as a shield, but they're ground. And what I like to do is bring the ground down enough to where there's a lot of of sheathing left on these wires so that there's not much chance of it touching. Once you strip these. I didn't strip that yet. Let's see if I can do it. Doesn't look very have to cut it. Doesn't look like there's anything in there, really. It's weird. It's just really warped. There we go. Let's pull it out that way. All right. Okay. It's not very much on there, but I suppose that'll be okay. So what I'm going to do here is just twist these two grounds together. And then I'm going to put them with this one, with the ground from the DIN connector. But I kind of want them to, I need them to be like this, but that's not going to be good. Yeah, let's. I'm gonna get some shrink tube real quick. Everything in here. I'm gonna get a one inch. I wish this was easy to fold, or like, push down like a sock. I guess I will use tape on that. I hate doing that, but sometimes you just can't avoid it. Okay, so we're going to get some flux here on this. Oops, I'm going to get one of these bigger ones on here real quick before I forget. Should be long enough. Okay. Oh. Gotta put it on too. Alright, put that way down there. Alright. Now, some more solder. Or flux. looks. All right. So I gotta see which one's which here. I guess it wouldn't matter, but kind of like would probably want to keep things a little normal and have yellow be video. So we've got yellow here. So yellow from this is going to go to white on this. And here I am definitely going to put some shrink tubing. What I did with that, there it is. I don't need that much. Okay. So yellow to white right here. This tubing probably won't be enough to cover this, but again, we'll use tape if we have to. All right. Yeah, I'll use a little bit of tape there. It's okay. Here. Move them all. Just let it. Oh. It's unreal. Here. Does not get that much there was. It's my we've got two of this thing into the case. And as words a little bit less seed fire, they have chance of tucking in. And somebody will. Yeah. That's good. We just want to make sure any bare wire is covered. That one was a tad long, but that's okay. All right, and then we'll just take our shrink tool up here. Make sure we can get it all the way in there. We want to make sure it's all covered. Hopefully we can get it all in there. There. All right. Right. Okay, so that's it. Let's give it a try. We've got this. Let's do continuity real quick. Why not? So yellow should be our video, which is right here. All right. White should be our audio, which is right here. And the outsides of these should be ground. All right, good deal. So let's move all this stuff, and I have a Vic-20 handy over here out of the box, so just test that real quick. So let's do that. I've had this little TFT monitor for a long time, and again, I was searching for something. It's brand new, it was in the box. Haven't used it. I don't remember what I was even going to use it for, but when I bought it, but it was fairly cheap, I think, like 25 bucks maybe. But I tested it, and it does work with the Vic-20, so let's see if this cable works. I know for sure this works because I just tested it with another cable not very long ago. So if the cable works, then it's going to work, because that monitor definitely worked with the other cable. So let's give her a shot. Okay. Now both of these are yellow, so I don't know which might be which. There it goes, it works. So the cable's working, as you can see, hopefully. Look at that. There's not even any flicker on the screen. Awesome. Maybe I'll be using this from now on. Make a little stand for it. It looks better too than that TV, although there is some weird artifacts there. That's kind of weird. But yeah, so the cable's working. Fairly easy to do. Not much difficulty. So there you go. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time with maybe it might be a pretty long video. I'm not sure. Depends on how I edit it and what I think about it. In any case, thank you for watching, and I will leave, before the end of the video, I will leave a chart to show you the pins again while you're looking at the plug. Okay, just remember that. Looking face to face with the plug that goes in the back. So if you're looking at the plug, and it's much easier to do it this way with the wires than it is to try to put one of these, take one of these apart and put wires onto the actual DIMM connector itself. In any case, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and take care. I'll go ahead and leave a chart up for you for about 15-20 seconds, and that'll be it. Take care.